Hi children, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to do more exercises on multiplication. Please refer to last week's video on multiplication for your reference. Let's continue with our lesson. Please take out this book.
Okay children, let's turn to page 7. Now we are going to do some exercises on multiplication. Read the instruction with me. Count the number of rows. Then count the number of objects in each row and write the total. Kira jumlah baris, kira bilangan objek dalam setiap baris dan tuliskan jumlah. Look at the picture here. The object in this picture is cat. There are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows. And in each row there are 5 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cats in each row. Total number of cats is 15. Now let's count how many cats in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Therefore, total number of cats is 15. Okay, let's try this exercise. How many rows are there in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 rows. 2 baris. And how many hands in each row? Let's count how many hands that we have in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hands in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many rows do we have? 1, 2. 2 rows of how many hands in each row? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 rows of 5 hands in each row. That will give us a total of how many hands? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together, we have 10 hands. 2 rows of 5 hands in each row will give us a total number of 10 hands. The third picture is a picture of rabbits. Let's count how many rows do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. So put here 4 rows of how many rabbits in each row? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 rabbits in each row. Let's look at the rabbits in the second row. 1, 2, 3. What about the third row? 1, 2, 3 rabbits as well. And the last row, how many rabbits?
1,
Yes.
2, 3.
Yes, 3 rabbits as well in the fourth row. So how many rabbits all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 total number of rabbits. Therefore, 4 rows of 3 rabbits in each row will give you a total number of 12 rabbits altogether. Let's try the last picture. How many rows of fish are there in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2. We have 2 rows of how many fish in each row? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fish in each row. Let's try the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as well. Now, what is the total number of fish all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the total number of fish is 12. 2 rows of 6 fish in each row will give you a total number of 12 fish. Hello children, today we are going to learn more on some exercises relating to multiplication. Let's turn to page 8. Read the instruction with me. Color the picture based on the given statement and fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Example, let's read the statement here. Hi, I eat 2 slices of cake each day for 2 days. So, how many total of cakes did I eat? Let's try this. I ate 2 slices of cake. Let's color 2 slices of cake. 1, yummy cake. 2, I ate 2 slices of cakes on the first day. Day 1. Then I ate another 2 slices of cake on the second day. So I ate 1 slice and 2 slices of cakes on the second day. Day 2. So how many total of cakes did I eat? 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, 2 slices of cakes for 2 days is a total of 4 slices of cakes. 2 times 2 equals to 4. Total slices of cake that I have eaten equals to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try the second exercise. Read the statement with me. Hi, I eat 4 slices of cake each day for 3 days. Wow, that's a lot of cake. Now, let's try to group the cake according to the days. How many slices of cake did I eat each day? 4. So, for the first day, I ate 4 slices of cake. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for the first day. Now, on the second day, I ate another 4 slices of cake. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is on the second day. Now, on the third day, how many slices of cake did I eat? 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the total slices of cake that I ate on the third day. So let's count how many cakes altogether that I have eaten for the past 3 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 slices of cake. Therefore, I ate how many slices of cake in a day? 4. And I ate 4 slices of cake for how many days?
3 days.
3 days. So 4 times 3 equals to 12. Total slices of cake that I have eaten equals to
12.
12. Good job. Let's try another exercise. Read the statement. Hi, I eat 5 slices of cake each day for 2 days. So, how many slices of cake did I eat on the first day?
5.
5. Let's color 5 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I ate 5 slices of cakes on the first day. Next, how many slices of cake did I eat on the second day?
5.
5 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 slices of cake that I ate on the second day. So basically, I ate 5 slices of cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 2 days. Day 1 and the second day. So 5 times 2 equals to, let's count how many total slices of cake that I had eaten for the past 2 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 times 2 equals to 10. Total slices of cake that I have eaten equals to 10. Good job. Again, let's read the statement. Hi, I eat 5 slices of cake each day for 3 days. So, how many slices of cake did I eat on the first day?
5.
5. Let's color 5 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the total number of cake that I had eaten on the first day. Next, how many cakes did I eat on the second day?
5.
5 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I ate 5 slices of cakes on the second day. And lastly, on the third day, how many number of cakes did I eat?
5.
5 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the total number of cake that I ate on the third day. So I ate 5 slices of cake. 5 for how many days?
3 days.
1, 2, 3 days. For 3 days. So 5 times 3 equals to, let's find out what is the total of cake that I had eaten for the past 3 days. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all together, the total slices of cake that I had eaten equals to
15.
15. Good job. Exercises on multiplication. Turn to page 10. Example. We have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. And how many objects in each row? 1, 2. 3 rows, and in each row there are 2 hearts. Let's look at the example here. The first row, 2 hearts. 1, 2. The second row, another 2 hearts. 1, 2. And the last row, another 2 hearts. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows times with 2 hearts. 2 hearts in each row. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's count the total of hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 2 equals to
6.
6. Okay? Now let's try the next one. How many rows do we have in this picture? 1, 2. 2 rows. In the first row, how many hearts do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hearts. In the second row, we have another 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put another 4 hearts in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 rows, 1, 2 times with 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hearts. How many totals do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. Next. Let's count how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. In each row, we will have 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put 4 hearts in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second row, another 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hearts. In the second row, 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts in the second row. The third row, another 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take another 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put it in the third row. And lastly, on the fourth row, there are also 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put another 4 hearts in the fourth row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows times with 4 hearts in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hearts in each row. It will give you a total of, let's count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 hearts times 4 rows equals to 16. Okay, children? Right. Let's try and do the next exercise. Let's count how many rows. 1, 2. There are 2 rows. And how many objects in each row? Let's count the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hearts. So let's take 8 hearts and put it on the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 hearts in the first row. Then we will have another 8 hearts in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put 8 hearts in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 hearts in the second row. So basically we have 2 rows. 1, 2, 2 rows times with 8 hearts. 8 hearts in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 hearts in each row. So let's count how many hearts do we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 hearts all together. 2 rows. 1, 2 times 8 hearts equals to 16 hearts all together. Right, the last one. Let's count how many rows do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Now each row will have 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put 4 hearts in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hearts in the first row. Then we'll have another 4 hearts in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put 4 hearts in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Now the third row also have 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put 4 hearts in the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last row and the fourth row, we will also have 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 hearts in the fourth row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lastly, we will have another 4 hearts in the fifth row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 hearts in the fifth row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically, we have 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows times with 4 hearts on each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 4. How many totals of hearts do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 hearts all together. 5 times 4 equals 20. Good job! Okay, more exercises on multiplication. Please turn to page 11. Let's read the instruction. Complete the exercises below. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 5 groups of 2. Now, what do we mean by this statement? Let's try to understand. I'll cover this up first. Now let's take these stars and group it into 2 stars in each row. So we have 2 stars in the first group. 1, 2. Then we will add on another 2 stars in the second group. 1, 2. Plus another 2 stars. 1, 2 in the second group. And plus another 2 stars in the fourth group. Lastly, we'll add another 2 stars in the fifth group. So, we are going to count how many groups do we have, which each group having 2 stars. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, and 5 groups. So it is 5 groups of 2 stars each. Next, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So how many groups do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 3s. Now, to make you understand better, I'll cover up these numbers first so you do not get confused. We will have the first group with 3 stars. Let's put the first star here. 1, 2, 3. How many stars in each group?
3.
3 plus 3. So let's on another 3 stars in the second group. 1, 2, 3. 3 stars in the second group. Plus another 3. Let's add on another 3 stars in the third group. 1, 2, 3. And lastly, another 3 stars in the fourth group. 1, 2, 3. So, how many groups do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of how many stars in each group? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 stars in each group. Next, 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many groups of 5? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 5. Let's cover this up first so you do not get confused. Now, the first group contains of 5 stars. The first group has 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Plus 5, the second group will have another 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars for the second group. Plus another 5. So the third group will also have how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars as well. So, how many groups do we have here? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of how many stars in each group? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars in each group. Next, 4 plus 4. How many groups of 4? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 groups of 4. Okay, so the first group, it has how many stars? 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars in the first group. 4 plus 4. So how many stars in the second group? 4. 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 stars in the second group. So how many groups do we have? 1, 2. 2 groups of how many stars in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 2 groups of 4 stars in each group. 10 plus 10 plus 10. How many groups? 3. 1, 2, 3 groups. Let's cover this up first so you do not get confused. Now let's do the first group. How many stars in the first group? 10. 10. Let's put 10 stars in the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 stars in the first group. Plus 10. So we're going to add another 10 stars in the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 stars in the second group. Plus another 10. So how many stars in the third group? 10. 10 stars in the third group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 stars in the third group. So let's count. How many groups do we have? 1 group, 2 groups, and 3 groups. So we have 3 groups of how many stars in each group? Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There are 10 stars in each group. So it's 3 groups of 10. More exercises on multiplication. Please turn to page 12. Now, look at this picture. We are going to count how many rows and how many objects in each row. Then we will match each picture to the correct answer. Let's try this. How many rows are there in the first picture? 1, 2. So there are 2 rows in this picture. And how many objects in each row? In this picture, how many cars are there in each row? Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There are 6 cars in each row. So, this picture shows 2 rows times 6 cars. So, which one shows 2 times 6? Is this 2 times 6?
No.
What about this?
No.
What about this one?
Yes.
Yes, this is 2 times 6. 2 rows times 6 cars. Let's match the first picture to this one. Right. Now let's try the second picture. First, let's identify how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So we have 4 rows. And each row has how many candles? Count for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. We have 5 candles. Candles. What is candle in Bahasa Malaysia?
Lily.
Lilin. Good job. So we have 4 rows times 5 candles in each row. So which one is the equation of 4 times 5? Is this 4 times 5?
Yes.
Good job. Match. Third picture. Let's identify how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. 5 rows. And how many objects in each row? In this picture, the objects are trees. So how many trees are there in a row? Count for me.
1, 2, 3.
Each row has 3 trees. So which one is the equation that shows 5 rows times 3 trees? 5 times 3. Is this the one?
Yes.
Good job. Match. The last picture, let's identify how many rows first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many rows do we have?
7.
7 rows. And how many objects which actually marks in each row? Count for me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 marks in each row. So the equation is 7 rows times 4 mugs. 7 times 4. Which one is the equation? Is this 7 times 4?
No.
Is this 7 times 4?
Yes.
Good job. Match the equation. Okay, children. Turn to page 13. We will identify the correct multiplication equation based on the picture. And we will tick the correct box. Now, as usual, let's identify how many rows in the picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How many rows?
3.
3 rows. And how many objects in each row? How many bananas in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3 rows. And how many bananas? 6 bananas. Therefore, it is 3 rows times 6 bananas in each row. So the equation is 3 times 6 or 6 times 6. Which one is the answer?
3 times 6.
Yes, this is the correct answer. 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 times 6 bananas in each row. Good job. Now let's try the next question. The object here is tumbler. Now let's identify how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 rows. And how many objects in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 bottle or tumbler. 4 bottles. In each row, it is 4 rows. And each row has 4 bottles. So which one is the correct mathematical statement? Is it 5 times 5 or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4?
4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
Good job. This is 4 rows times 4 bottles equals to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Next, how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 rows. 5 rows, and how many dolphins in each row? 1, 2. So we have 2 dolphins in each row. Which one is the correct equation for this picture? Is it 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 or 5 times 2?
5 times 2.
Yes, 5 times 2. 5 rows times 2 objects in each row. Good job. Last one, let's identify how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 rows of how many pizza in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pizzas in each row. So, which one is the correct equation to show 4 rows and each row has 5 pizza?
4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
Good job! This is the correct answer. Good job, children. That is all for today. Take care.
Okay, children, that's all for today. See you soon. Bye.